Hi, Patrick Johnson here, In-Tune Engineering. I've got a 2016 HD8 Canam with a starter problem. I've taken the starter out. Now on YouTube it's all about taking off the clutches and the housings and everything, but you can actually do it from this side of the motor without taking anything off. I've just taken the heat shield off the exhaust here so you get a bit more light in, but I'll show you. You need I'm using a 1/4 inch drive 10mm socket with about 200 mils of extension. The bolt, let me just put it all together. That's there's the bolt there. That's the bolt that bolts the starter on. It comes through and gets down to a point down there. Let me just try to get focus. You see on that lug down there, that's where the bolt sits. So if you put the spanner in, or the extension of the socket in, through there, up to there, you can see it going in there. That's where it sits. So you can get the extension all the way through and the socket onto the nut, onto the bolt, and that's where the starter, or that's what holds the starter in. Okay, now the starter, here's the starter. Okay, so it bolts into that bolt down there. That's your retaining bolt. So the starter will go in underneath here, just a bit of a wiggle. It'll go in that angle, or it'll actually go in like that, and then you've got to turn it to come out. It goes in, spins horizontally, goes through, hits the clutch housings, the plastic clutch housings, turns, and then comes back into position. Don't forget to put a bit of lubrication onto the O-ring so it slips in nice and easily. Thanks for watching.